Hey guys, it's Nick here, and it is 10:05 in the morning here on Saturday, February 9th, 2013. Yesterday I posted a video of a blizzard. This will be part two, so let's take a look outside my backyard. Yeah, the cover of my pool actually fell into the pool, so that sucks. You can see the icicles on that house back there. Very lawn. Let's take a look in the front. Oh, by the way, my brother is sleeping, so no footage of him. Screw it. Let's see what he has. See what's going on here. Yeah, he's sleeping away. Alright, now to the front. See this? North Ocean Avenue on the expressway. And this is what it looks like outside. I shoveled last night 3 times. I don't know if they're gonna go anywhere to get like some food from like the 7-Eleven or something, maybe, I don't know. They said they didn't need me right now, but you can take a look at the cars on my neighbors. Very high. We got at least 2 feet. If you put the snow like on the lawn, it's about 4, maybe even higher than that. It's pretty crazy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly did. It's pretty cool. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.